the Gigafactory
Yeah.
was being built just outside of Austin
Mhm.
or within Austin near the airport. And there would be meetings, OACs, where, you're asking your contractor for an update. And they were being transparent. Their answer was, hey, Tesla has just, we can't compete with the dollars that Tesla's giving our subs. And so the subcontractors are prioritizing that work. So for a while there, it was pretty challenging with, especially electrical and mechanical subcontractors working through, resources, and that's just the Gigafactory. There's also Samsung being built just north of Austin. There's also all the work downtown, all of that development, and just in terms of growth, like you mentioned, the city's growing a lot, so there's a lot of construction going on to support that growth, and then add on the Gigafactory and the Samsung plant.
Did you have to figure out incentives for your subs to move them from something like that, like a large Tesla manufacturing facility, which is insane? Have you flown over it?
I have not. No.
I've flown over it, and Bianca, I know you've done it too. Oh my gosh, that is insanity. Anyway,
Huge.
did you guys provide any incentives to your subs to try to attract them to your projects over going over there and helping Tesla out?
Austin ISD is a public entity, and incentives, what we have the bond dollars and which is taxpayers' dollars. Incentives don't operate the same way in the public realm as private, unfortunately.
Okay.
So really, what carried us beyond incentives, was, relationships, and I think the fact that, um, you know, a gigafactory and the Samsung plant, those are temporary and they're fast. So local subs, local contractors, I imagine they know that, Austin ISD is here indefinitely, right? So they want to maintain relationships with clients that are here and that are going to stay here after Tesla's done building, after Samsung's done building. So it's really relationship and trust based. What I've also noticed that was really neat is that, you know, we're building for our community. So the children and the, partners, wives, families of these subcontractors and general contractors, they're either students at our schools or staff. They're the teachers or the principals or, anyone working in one of these facilities. So I, I think a lot of our success, was based on that, just knowing that, yes, there's money out there, but they're still going to do their best to build for their own community. So they're going to try their best to prioritize that.